This poster advertises a fishing competition, scheduled to take place on September 10th, 2025, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The event is organized at Pampionai Pond is in Nang Stoin, Shillong Road, and is hosted by Ba R. Simli and W. Marnger, in collaboration with their friends. The competition is open to participants, with a ticket price of Rupee 2,000, and it promises significant cash prizes, along with a lucky draw for additional rewards. Event details, date and time, September 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Location, Pampionai Pangabalan Nang Stoin, Shillong Road. Ticket price, Rupee 2,000 per participant. Purpose, the event aims to bring together fishing enthusiasts for a competitive and enjoyable day. With the tagline, Shiringyang Yua UKHY, suggesting a focus on skill and excitement. Prize structure, the competition offers a tiered prize system based on performance, with substantial cash rewards for the top 17 positions. First place, Rupee 10 lakh. Second place, Rupee 4 lakh. Third place, Rupee 2 lakh. Fourth to 10th place, Rupee 1 lakh each. 11th to 15th place, Rupee 1 lakh each. 16th place, Rupee 30,000. 17th place, 10,000. Additionally, there are consolation prizes for positions 1 to 20, each worth Rupee 5,000, ensuring broader participation is rewarded. Lucky draw. A lucky draw adds an extra layer of excitement with the following prizes. First prize, a Bolero vehicle, or winner can take home cash prize worth Rupee 6 lakh. Second prize, Rupee 2 lakh cash. Third prize, Rupee 1 lakh cash. Fourth prize, Rupee 30,000 cash. Tickets for the lucky draw are priced at Rupee 300 for one ticket, or Rupee 500 for 2 tickets, with the draw scheduled for 2:30 p.m. Additional information. The poster includes a note in the local language, likely Khasi, providing instructions or rules. Participants are required to purchase a ticket for Rupee 2,000 to enter the competition. The event likely involves catching fish within the specified time frame, with prizes awarded based on the weight or number of fish caught. Though specific rules are not detailed on the poster, the lucky draw requires separate ticket purchases, offering a chance to win additional prizes regardless of fishing performance. So I hope you're clear with this information for fishing competition at Pam for Nai. So guys, don't miss this chance worth Rupee 10 lakh rupees and so on. And before you scroll down, make sure you press the bell icon and share to your family and friends. See you in the next competition.